First, gather your tools. You'll only need the new CR2032 battery. Second, enter the vehicle and close all doors to ensure the system can detect the key fob properly. Third, insert the key into the ignition. If your vehicle has keyless start, press the start button without pressing the brake. Fourth, cycle the ignition. Turn to run position but do not start the engine, then back to off. Repeat this quickly 2 to 3 times. Fifth, press the lock or unlock button on the key fob and hold. The vehicle should respond by locking and unlocking the doors, indicating successful reprogramming. Sixth, remove the key from the ignition or press the start button to turn the vehicle off. Seventh, test the fob by trying the lock, unlock, and panic buttons to confirm they work. If you have multiple fobs, reprogram them simultaneously following the same steps. If it fails, check the battery voltage with a multimeter. It should be greater than 2.8 volts.